I'm gonna turn myself into some version of Ursula today. I got this new white wig and I'm so excited. Let me show you. Okay, obviously Ursula has short hair and it's like kind of spiked, but I'm not gonna do that because it's so full and curly and I'm so excited because I've done Ursula like 3 times. And the first time I did Ursula, I had a blonde wig and it was so ugly. The second time I did Ursula, I bought a wig that was like supposed to be an Ursula wig and it had like this really deep, anyways, it was really ugly. So I think this one's gonna be really cute. I'm gonna try to do some kind of cool updo type thing, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to do my makeup in a separate video, so actually I changed my mind. Maybe it makes more sense to show you the process of this. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this wig because since I'm going to be painting myself purple, I don't want this to get stained. So I'm going to use this Got To Be Glued spray. This is the hair brand, by the way. I have so much glue caked into my hair, but we're going to add more. I'm going to use this to push all of my hair back. I feel like nobody's going to watch this, but my 10-minute feature is turned back on, so I feel like I should use it, right? Alright, I went ahead and cut the lace off, so I'm good, but it's fine. This wig is huge. Look how long. Usually wigs don't fit because they're too small. This one's like, I'm gonna have to cut some off. This is setting. I think I'm going to change this backdrop to changed it. And I think I'm going to add like purple lights in the background and then... Alright, I've done my eyebrows already. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Ow! I used way too much hairspray. I feel like my forehead looks really long now. Okay, my eyes are done. Alright, here's the part I love and hate, which is turning myself purple. This paint is so thick and disgusting. Ugh, it just feels gross and it always stains my pores and I have to do like 100 face washes and masks to get out of my skin. So here we go. Ugh, it's so thick. Stuff always creases really bad in my neck rolls. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do enough that you can't see it. Like, yeah, that's enough, right? I added white for highlights and I added blue to my purple to make it dark enough for contour. We're almost done. Okay, so blending out these paints when I use it for concealer is always really hard because it gets kind of splotchy. Gosh, I've let this paint sit on my face too long now, it's not blending. Okay. Is that a shadow? Setting it is always the scariest part to me. So usually I use the Coty Airspun powder to set everything because it's translucent and it works well and it's cheap. But I couldn't find it today when I went to stores, so I got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder and we'll see if it works. I'm scared. Okay, maybe I should blend out my neck rolls first. Creasy. Oh god, I just made a splotch. I'm just gonna do it. Full send. Okay, I feel pretty heavily powdered, so I think I should be okay, but I don't know. After I powder, I can like tell where I haven't powdered if I'm like trying to brush away the powder and it's like stuck. And nothing's getting stuck. It's all dusting away pretty easily, so I think I've powdered enough. I have a splotch here, I think. Or is that a shadow? A shadow, no, that's a splotch. I'm not gonna fix it. I'm just gonna cover it up. Okay, now it's time to add color back into my face, so I'm going to use these 2 eyeshadow palettes. Both of these are Juvia's Place, and there's like purple in this one, and there's like a darker, more cool tone purple in this one, so I'm going to use those both. Okay, I ended up doing my hair in a separate video because I'm about to be out of time. I pretty much just gathered it into a ponytail and then stuck a clip in it to make it sit up here. And obviously the swoop.